With the factory crossmember removed, what we're going to do here is essentially put welds all the way across this crossmember here to get this off. And then we can just throw these bent pieces of tin in the garbage. And then we'll remove these off the frame as well, because that flat belly is going to be so much tighter up here. When you are completed with your crossmember, the sides obviously should be flat, but the most important part is that everything is gone from this surface. You want this to be as flat as possible. We'll probably even take this little guy out. But as long as that's flat, then our skids will bolt up nice and flat.